All right, now we're gonna put these in our pizza tray. Go ahead and smoosh it all the way down. So this is gonna be our sugar cookie dough for a pizza that we're making. All right, you guys, look at how good it looks. All pressed down. Now what we're gonna do is just pop this in the oven for about 7 minutes at 350. All right, now that we have our pizza out of the oven, we're gonna bring some vanilla frosting. And this is going to be delicious. We'll go ahead and move to the best part in just a minute. So just hold on and watch. We're gonna cover all this really well. All right, and now the cool part, we're gonna use this spider here. This is our cookie cutter. We're gonna go ahead and drizzle some sprinkles in there.
Are you using that as a stencil?
Yeah.
That is so genius. Oh, this is gonna be so cute.
So cute.
I can't wait to see it.
And then we'll go ahead and drizzle some of my favorite, some chocolate all around, just like that.
Oh, yum.
Yum, yum. This is like one of my most favorite desserts for this
Smells
season.
amazing.
Just look at that, so good. Just like that, all around it. You can have fun with it.
Cute.
We'll drizzle some caramel as well because it's my favorite.
Mmm.
Look at that. Yum, yum.
Yum.
And we'll go ahead and dress up our pizza with some fun candy. I have some pumpkins here. We'll go ahead and put that all around it.
Oh, so cute. I love it.
Yeah, you can dress it up as however you like, you know. Whatever you have at home, you can have fun making this with your children. My nieces absolutely love these. Well, we're gonna go ahead and do some marshmallows on top.
Yum.
And now we'll go ahead and lift it up for the reveal. Oh, look at that. So cute. Yay!